Hi everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to start some tutorials about how to develop Oculus Quest app using Unity. It is basically Android app that is running on Oculus devices. I will start the tutorials here by this tutorial, which is about how to cast the Oculus to your PC. If you search for how to cast Oculus to PC, officially it has this one that this one method. If you want to cast to a computer to PC, you need to go to this link oculus.com/casting. Then you turn on your Oculus, go to the sharing cast and select computer. I have tried this method, but I don't know, it didn't work. I cannot cast it to my PC. So that's why I make this tutorial. In case you cannot connect your Oculus to your PC to cast your Oculus to PC by using this official method, there is another method which is easier to do. It is by using the program called Sidequest. Sidequest. Find out about this program. You can download it. Download the latest version. Where to download it? Download Sidequest Windows. I forgot where did I download. Maybe here. Download this one, the advanced installer one, not the easy installer, advanced installer. Right now I have it here, Sidecast. I've installed it, and I don't want to show you how to connect your Oculus to Sidequest. There is a tutorial when first time you connect your Oculus to PC and you run this Sidequest. There is a tutorial how to connect it. You just follow the tutorial. Here I'm only want to show you how to cast the Oculus to PC. I need to cast Oculus to PC because I'm going to screen record my monitor so I can begin my tutorials. So to screencast or to cast the Oculus, you need to click this button, stream from your headset to your PC with SRG SPY, I don't know what is it. Just click it. There is this button. It is very easy to do it. Just click the button and you wear your Oculus and then click the start stream button. I'm going to wear it right now. Hang on a second. I'm going to click this button now. I'm already wearing my Oculus. Then you see that I am here. It is my PC, it's my hand, and if I go back inside this circle, I can see what is inside my Oculus. I'll click this button, I can see my surrounding. Okay, that is how to cast the Oculus to PC without following the official tutorial. Opening the Oculus link, it didn't work for me, so this one is way more better to me. Okay guys, that's all for this tutorial about how to cast your Oculus to PC. Later I'm going to start to make some tutorials about how to develop a Unity game for Oculus. Okay, stay tuned and bye bye for now. See you next time.